What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in. And man, I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute. A lot of things have changed, a lot of updates, man. I got to fill you guys in with just everything. Everything. I've been so busy at work. Getting to this money, man. Getting to this money, trying to make some things happen, trying to get to these big shows. The car's come along great, and I'm gonna just give you a rundown of a few things I got going on that you probably already seen on my social media, my Facebook, my Instagram. Before we even begin, man, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this page with a friend, and just stay locked in, man. If you got any questions, any concerns, any praises, everything is always appreciated because you can spend that time anywhere, but you chose it to spend with me. So I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and just get into everything that's going on. Stay tuned. So one of the biggest things was, my birthday and everything. I needed, a car trailer. I go to a lot of shows, I go to a lot of events, and one thing is that I'm always either renting a trailer, borrowing a trailer from a friend, so on and so forth. So I decided to invest in myself, and I got me a 20-foot trailer. Got this from, I forgot the name of the trailer company, but it's a PJ trailer, 20-foot, dual axle, carries 10,000 pounds. I got this shield right here, and I'm glad I have it because I travel with the car, and it put some rock chips in my bumper, so I need this. All those chips that come out the back wheel. But this trailer has been amazing. Dovetail, got the jacks on the end. I got the heavy-duty tongue, and I love it, man. This is a great investment. I was gonna buy something used, but some of these used will go for ridiculous prices. So I decided to just invest and get me something new. So this was like a little birthday gift to myself. And I love this freaking trailer. All right, so going on with the truck, I've been on the fence about getting rid of it. I wanted to go with a newer truck, but of course these trucks are a little higher price, but I mean, honestly, I've been like 1,000% satisfied with this truck. So I decided just to keep it. There's really no reason for me to get rid of it besides me being, I just wanted a new one. And really, we're gonna get the same truck, but just new. So before I did that, I was gonna order a lift kit and get new tires and wheels. I was like, let me decide on what I want to do, but I've decided to keep the truck. So I definitely have Ready Lift on board. They're on board with this one, and we're gonna get this thing lifted, wheels and tires. I already got the rock lights. I got the interior lights. I'm probably gonna get the electric rockers or side steps. I'm gonna keep the chrome. I've never really done a chrome truck setup before, so I'm gonna do a chrome setup, and this will probably be the first vehicle that I actually wrap. So let me know what color you think I should wrap the truck. It doesn't necessarily have to match the car, but I want to be able to pull up clean. Nice truck, nice trailer, and of course, the nice car. All right. So of course, I don't think I even did an update, but man, we finally got the car put back together, as you can see. So I got the Screaming Chicken, PCM cover, fuse box cover. Definitely got my Optima battery. Shout out to Optima. Aeromotive fuel regulator, Holley. Got the whole Holley thing going on, man. MSD, valve covers, all that's Holley. I got the Mighty Mouse catch can. So of course, you know, my previous videos, we did a coil relocation. You can't see the coils. And we also did the wire tuck. So all that big old rat's nest over here. And then once we swap the motor, because I'm gonna go with a built motor, the bottom end, then we're gonna get all this painted, all this shiny, get all that detail for you guys. What else I got going on here? Oh, so I don't know if we can see it. I don't know if we can see it. Let's see. So I have the UMI front K-member, upper lower A-arms. I got the Detroit Speed new steering rack. All of that's down there. I did new ball joints. The whole front suspension is brand new except the spindle. They don't even make spindles anymore. So what I did was just paint them black just to make sure everything looks fresh. But the whole suspension is done. So everything on the front suspension is UMI. Everything on the rear suspension is QA1. I got the whole QA1 catalog, whatever they offer for the F-body, QA1 coilovers, and then everything on the front is all UMI, their K-member, upper lower arms. So everything is there. The whole suspension is done, man. The whole catalog, literally. One thing about me is that, you know, I try to touch everything. Now, you know, my car isn't those donks yet, the Rick Ross Promised Land, where we're gonna get, you know, every nut, screw, and bolt. Maybe eventually when I get there, or if I get bored, I start doing all that kind of stuff. But right now, none of that is done. I mean, of course, I got some new hardware, but it's just taking time. Of course, you know, I got the BC Forged wheels, and I got Quick Performance. So Quick Performance is gonna be a part of the build. I've got their rear end on the way. So once that comes in, I'll get a video of that. I got their rear end on the way. I got it shortened 3 inches on both sides. So that lip is gonna be a lot deeper. And y'all can tell me what kind of wheels should I order. I've been looking at getting some 20s, and I've been looking at staying with the 18s. I mean, 18s look good, don't get me wrong, but you know, I don't race as much. So I think a set of 20s will look best, you know, for these shows and events. And still, I can still hook up and everything. So these wheels will be for sale now. Actually, you can buy them right now. Throw me an offer. BC Forged wheel, Toyo tires. Now, if you want, the tires are good. The rear ones are starting to wear. But hit me up. I got a brand new set of Toyo tires, RAAARs right here. So if you want them, let me know, hit me up. BC Forged wheels, brand new Toyo tires. Wheels are perfect, no damage. Oh yeah, one more thing. So these cars are kind of like, it's weird about these because they're in an era where these cars are 25 plus years old, but at the same time, they're at an age where, you know, they're curvy, they're not boxy like these old school. So it is not everybody's favorite. And a lot of these parts, you know, people don't make anymore, or they don't do any billet parts. So because they don't do any billet, and I wanted something a little shiny in here, you know, I reached out to my guys over at Atlas Plating. Check this out. Check these out. So I got my guys over there, man. If you're in Houston, definitely check them out. Atlas Plating. I got some chrome hinges. They also, I didn't even know they was gonna do this. They even did my bolts chrome. So I may do that. I may take all my bolts and send them to them so they can chrome all these bolts and all the hardware in the car. But gonna get rid of these. Add a little shimmer, you know, when you pop the hood, you kind of see what's going on, you know. Trying to be a little custom, man. So, you know, I was trying to do a little something different. You know, couple things. I'm gonna go and cut my grill probably this week. Get that handled. And then the next show that I will be at will be the Whips by Wade show in Atlanta, June 22nd. So if you're in town, make sure you stop by that show. I'll be there. Car will be shined up. Atlanta Jax Wax, he's gonna do all his detailing and everything. He's always amazing. So if you get a chance, check out Atlanta Jax Wax or Kev the Detailer, Detailer Kev on Instagram. I forgot which one it is. Check him out, guys. He's very meticulous. He does a damn good job, for real. But I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted up on the car, finish detailing under the hood and everything, and then probably once it cools off, I'll probably get the car out. It's one of those hot Houston days, so I'll probably just hop in the truck and cruise around or something like that. See what's going on. But man, like I said, I just thank you for the support. Like I say, it's a lot been going on. Like I say, we got the Pro Charger done, installed. What else? We got the wire tuck, the core relocation. We got that. I got the rear end on the way. Got the hinges. We bought the trailer. I got the lift kit for the truck coming. Whew. A lot of money. But you know, I really just do this because I just love to do it. You know, that's what it comes down to. You know, when it's a love, this is my hobby. You know, I don't care what hobby you have. If you're really loyal to your hobby, every hobby is expensive. You know, baseball cards, Pokemon, Pogs, cars, bicycles, knitting, whatever. Like, you serious into it, it's gonna cost you some money. I guess the only difference with cars is, you know, you ain't breaking nothing. You ain't got to pay for it again. So you just make sure that buy once, cry once. Meaning, you spend the money, you buy it right the first time, most likely it won't break and you don't have to buy it again. So, man, like I say, I appreciate everybody's support. It's your boy No Chill Chad, checking out. Later, guys.